You've noticed you got some cracks showing up in your drywall, doors are starting to stick and not work properly, or maybe even you're starting to feel some slopes in your floors. The biggest question you're probably asking yourself right now is, what on earth is causing this? Why is my home moving in the first place? I'm Austin with Anchor Foundation Repair, and we have inspected thousands of homes here in the Bryan College Station area. Most of the time, the issue is going to be right underneath your feet, literally right underneath your feet. It's going to be our soils, water, and time that can all add up together to cause movement in our homes. Our foundation problems here in the area are caused by our soils. Our soils here are affected greatly by the moisture content within them. If it starts to really dry out, and hey, it's summer here in Texas, it's hot, our soils are going to start to dry out. And as they begin to dry out, you start to see cracks starting to form. And that means our ground is shrinking, and that can lead to your foundation beginning to move. Vice versa, you also have it when it's too wet. We've had a lot of rain here in Texas here recently. As the clay soaks all that moisture up, it's like a giant sponge, so it's going to start to swell, and then over time it's going to dry out again. So this constant back and forth movement, it wreaks havoc on our homes. So you have the soil, water, and the time all contributing to why your home is potentially moving and why settlement might be occurring on your home. There are some other things around your home that may contribute to this as well, whether that's poor drainage, maybe you don't have gutters on your home. Something is amiss with water management around your home. This can lead to the soil, water, and time issues showing up again, and especially if you've had poor drainage for a long time around your home, the soils are going to start wreaking havoc. So a good water management plan always helps as well, and having a good drainage system helps protect your home as best you can. Of course, our soils here are very bad, so sometimes it just happens. What should you do from here? Well, if you've happened to have already gotten a couple repair quotes to repair your home and you don't know who to trust, take a step back. Don't rush into the biggest or cheapest repair plan right off the bat. Understand the facts and understand the problem first. Get all the knowledge that you can, and then at that point, then make a decision for what's best for you and your home. To help assist you in your foundation repair journey, we're going to put a link down below in the description about the top 4 questions to guide your foundation repair decisions and help you out in that process.